Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Login Depot mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser. Now go to Google search bar and then search for Loan Depot Mortgage Login. Search for this account over here which says login to your account. Click on it and there will be some options for you. Choose your type of account. Some of the accounts are loan servicing, loan application, HELOC application, credit monitoring, and home search. You can just go ahead and choose which one of you want to log in and then click on login. This will lead you to Loan Depot's login portal where you can write down your email address, your password, and click sign in. This way you will be successfully signed into Loan Depot's mortgage account, and you can hide or unhide the password anytime. And if in case you have forgotten your email or forgotten your password, these are the links which you want to go through. You can recover your password quite easily by going through these links. So if you want to register and you want to create a new account, click on register now, and then you can create a Loan Depot mortgage account for yourself as well. This was a video on how you can log on to Loan Depot mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.